Okay, so before we open up this suitcase, there are things that I'm not going to show you guys, mainly because I don't want you guys to see like my dress and so forth, but I'll give you guys an idea of like how everything is packed. You will get to see the dress, and which is, I think, is beautiful. It's very simple and so forth. So let's start. So what's up? All right, as you guys can see, everything is like situated. One thing I do want to recommend is getting packing cubes, because it definitely helps you out a whole lot. Okay, by the way, I took my glasses off for you guys, so I'm looking here and I'm not sure how I'm looking right now. But anyways, first packing cube. This thing can hold like a whole lot of things. Like, I just wanted to like keep it simple in there, and also I just wanted to bring it just in case, like if I bought something from like shopping, I'll be able to like still store it in here, and a few other things. So let's go through here. So this bag is mainly for my date night bag, so you'll see like outfits for that, which I can actually show you guys. Majority of my clothes are from Shein, and I did try them on, so I'm sorry. You guys will just have to see some of the photos. And by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, you can actually... Okay, so like I was saying, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, you can actually follow me on my business page, which is Luxjourni, and then for my personal, it will be Chanel.Merville, and I'll link that stuff in the description box below. But let's just carry on. So the first packing cube, I did place my little mini bag in here. You know, I don't have anything stored in here yet, but most likely I'll probably have like a lip gloss or something like that. And then I have my Gucci glasses, you know, and some, I'm not sure what these glasses are called, but they're those glasses that go like right on your nose bridge, right? So I have those. I'm not even sure if I'm going to really use this, but I have this. For this outfit, I have an off-shoulder top, so this is going to be like that. I have my plaid pants, and these are from Shein, and you guys are gonna see these outfits on me. I have a set. These are some shorts, and then a top that goes with it. It's like one of those like off the shoulder tops. And then I packed this is kind of like an extra dress. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear this, but I packed a silk dress, and then also I packed another silk dress, but it's a polka dot dress. And I'm gonna be wearing this for my candlelight dinner with my husband. That's happening actually on our anniversary, because we cannot get married on our anniversary date, because in the destination that we're going to, they do not do weddings on Sundays, and for this year our anniversary falls on a Sunday, so that was unfortunate. But we are getting married the day after, which is equal. So yeah, got my dress going on here. I did have them folded, and I actually had to fix this dress because it was pretty big on me, and I had to sew it myself, and I think I did a really good job with that. So we're all set with this one. I don't worry too much about how my clothes are, only because usually the property that I'm staying on, they have an iron, and they usually have a lot of things that you need in order to like look good. You know, those essential things like the ironing board, you know, blow dryer. Not that I really feel like I need a blow dryer, but like just in case. I don't have to worry too much about how my stuff looks. So technically I have 4 date nights, and we're there for 5 days 4 nights. So in this packing cube, I actually have my swimsuits. Let's just see what's inside of here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 swimsuits. There you go. And I put a pair of shoes in there. These are new, so I never used it, so that's why I was like okay with putting it in there. In this packing cube, we have the day outfits. So this is a larger packing cube, so it's really flimsy because it's not full. So I have like a top here, some jean shorts, some bandana pants, another top. So that's 2 outfits right there. This is for my excursion. This is actually a workout outfit, but I thought it was really cute, and I prefer to wear it for the first time on my trip. And then I have another workout outfit, but this is for one of my other excursions, which I'm excited about. So it's that. In here I have my, what is these called? I don't even know what they're called. If you know, can you please put it in the description, the comment box below, while I can't talk again. in every video. So yeah, I have one of these. You can clip it around your waist, or I know that most guys put it like kind of like hair type of thing. I don't know, on their shoulder. And here I have some more glasses, but these are actually my husband's that I purchased from ASOS. So you guys will see him rocking these. I have another sunglasses that I got from Cohen's. It's pretty dirty right now, but this is what it looks like. It's one of those like mirror sunglasses. Gotta bring a pair of sneakers that I usually like work out in, and most likely would be wearing it for two of my excursions or just one of them. This one is more personal, so I'm not really going to show you guys, but I do have workout outfits for working out, actual working out, that you guys saw in my previous videos. I have my underwears, and I have my little lingeries, and my socks. I have my sock shoes that you can walk around in, and that's it. I'm not gonna unload this one because it's personal in there. This as well. These are my shoes. So I got some Coach. Is this Coach? Yeah, these are my Coach shoes. It's pretty dirty, but these are my like flip-flops with a little heel on it. You have to go with some clear heels. I got this from Forever 21 a few years back, and these are really, really, really comfy. I'm surprised because usually I hear bad things about the Perplex. I think that's what it's called, and these actually don't hurt me at all. I also have these flip-flops or sandals or slides. I'm not sure what these ones are called, but these are small on me. I wear a size 8, but apparently I should have had a size 8.5. I'm bringing it just in case. Don't tell my friend because she hates when people's heels are like hanging off of their shoes, but we'll see if it actually does that. And then I have some other black heels, strap up heels, and this is going to go with the plaid outfit that you guys saw. Got some more slides. These are from Shein. They're so cute, really cute. Simple and chic, same thing. So this is going to be last, but I do want to talk about what's in here. My wedding dress is actually in here. So I'm not doing like a big puffy wedding dress because I've done that with my son while I was pregnant. But I'll show you a few things. So this is how it's stored away. My wedding dress is right here. And then I have some more essential stuff that I'll be using. So like earrings. I have a picture frame in here actually that I need to print one of my pictures for my wedding to put in here because we want to do like a vow renewal picture. So we'll be holding up a picture of our old wedding, and then we'll be taking a picture of us holding it. Make sense? Okay. So yeah, I have like earrings. I have my veil in here. I have like a mini fan because I like to hear fan noises. I have my ring light, my mini ring light for my phone. Yeah, I have a couple of things in here, and I don't really want to talk about them. This is a bag that I got. It's a little dirty because it has some sand in it, but I'm gonna rinse it off when I get there. But this is a clear bag that I got from Primark, and it was like $7 last year in 2019 for my actual cruise that I went to this year. But this is like clutch. You can put anything in here. Most likely I will be getting my hair done there. Like my hair is done, but I want to get like a pin-up for my wedding. So I'm actually thinking about doing that. I don't know yet. Alright, so let's talk essential stuff, right? We have this bag that I actually got from Primark as well. I'm sure you guys seen this bag, and I'm actually going to go through all the stuff in here so that you guys have an idea of what I'm bringing. So in this corner, I have my Got2b gel, and I use this for my edges to slick down my edges so it looks cute. I got some Sunbun sunscreen. I got my Fenty foundation in here. I also have my friend. She actually sells a skincare line, and this is it's a facial mist, alcohol free. So you know, I like mist. So we have that in this little pocket. Over here we have my deodorant. I don't wear deodorant anymore. Not to say that I don't smell. I do. But I don't really try to wear deodorant all the time. But I do have some deodorant that I got from a natural store, Tide to Go. I don't know if this thing actually works, but I have it. I have some razors, and I have some hair scrunchie, and I have some Crocs clips for when I'm doing my hair and makeup so it's not in the way. On this side, I have baby powder. I don't really use baby powder like that, but if I am sweating, I would use it. Or if I do think I'm gonna sweat, I'll use it. In here, I have my makeup brushes. I do need a new purse for that. And I have my hairpins if I'm going to be doing any updo styles on my own. These are my brushes. Some of it are clean, some of it are not. But I did wash it except for this one. I washed majority of them. So they kind of wet a little bit. So usually whenever I get to my destination, I unload my bag and kind of like let them dry out. So as of lately, I've been washing my face with this brand called Pharmacy. It's pretty good. So I have their facial wash and I have Very Cherry Bright. I'm not sure what it does yet because I'm pretty new to it, but I do have their moisturizer and I have their oil-based moisturizer as well with that extra glow honey because I like to be shiny. I don't know why. Also, I have my shampoo and conditioner. I don't really wash my hair when I'm on vacation, but my husband does sometimes, so I'll have that in there for him. And then on this side is more of like medical stuff in a sense. When I am traveling, I do drink a vitamin C every day. I always drink one per day. So I have enough in here. I'm probably gonna need to pack some more, but I do have enough in here. And also I have my ibuprofen. This one is not medical, but this is actually some individual wipe. I have my toothbrush still in here, my toothpaste. I have one Zyrtec because for some reason I feel like I might need it for when we're doing our excursion. So I have that just in case. And then in here I have like my lady wipes, you know, my Summer Eve wipes. I have some cotton panty liners. Over here I have my contacts. I have my lint roller, my contact holder, some Listerine, my beauty blender that I need to wash. And in here now for the good stuff, big part, we have some antibacterial wipes. We have a plush to wash our bodies with. I usually wash my body with it, and by the time I leave, I throw it away. I don't bother bringing it back home. So we have that. I have some Q-tips just in case you get in the pool and your ears are wet. I bring my soap for all occasions. I know I'm doing bad with this. I shouldn't use this type of soap, but you know, it smells really good. So I have that stored in here. I have my headscarf that I will be wearing, you know. I also will be bringing my soap scrub from my friend. She actually makes these. The same one with the mist. And I also have some lotion. These smell so good. Well, not lotion, it's called body butters. They smell so good. You smell that? Good, right? I know. You guys should purchase from there. Just purchase one time and you'll see what I'm talking about. You might end up purchasing way more than you need to. Anyways, let's keep going. So in here we have some of my makeup bits. So I do have Fenty Body Lava, but I decided to take just a little bit because I know I'm not going to use a whole lot of it. And it comes in a glass container, so I didn't want to just bring my whole container and then it breaks or something. So I put a little bit in this container here. My sunscreen, I just found out about Tatcha. Well, I knew about Tatcha, but I just found out what they do for basically women. Every time you purchase from them, they volunteer their money to support women, young ladies in other countries. Primer does not look clean right now. My eye drops not open because I just bought it. Eyebrow brush. This right here, I purchased this glitter and it's so cute. That's going to be for my wedding when I do my makeup. My Kabuki mascara, eyeliner. This is my setting spray. Do have a soap from my friend, so I'm going to test that out down there. My mini setting powder from Kat Von D. My highlight from Maybelline. Lip liner. Fenty lipstick. My YSL perfume. My 2 lashes from Sweet Bella. These lashes are so bomb. I always get individuals, but I always bring lashes when I travel because individuals are for like when I'm like my everyday look, but my lashes are like to upscale it. Other eye drops, my pomegranate from Anastasia, concealer from NARS, my eyelash glue. I have some shoestring because I usually tie my hair with shoestring. I don't really use scrunchies like that. MAC black eyeliner. Yeah, so that's that for that. Alright, now for the good stuff. So we have my Vanity Planet. I've been rocking with this thing for some time now. I need to wash it when I get there, but this is what I wash my face with when I travel. I don't really use it at home, but I do use it when I travel. And then I have some makeup palettes that I will be using, and I'll show you some of them. So I have my Morphine, I have my Carly by Belle, love this. I have my Juvia's palette, my Fenty, because you know I love Fenty. I have one of the subscriptions, Deck of Scarlet. This one has like a really nice tone. I love it, so I might use that. And then I have these eyeshadows that I got from Sephora. It's right in here. I also have my sewing kit just in case something happens. And now that I know, like I feel confident in sewing my stuff, like I feel like this is going to be perfect for me. Here, lastly, my passport health. Usually whenever I travel, I try to get most of my shots prior to traveling. And some of my shots are really good for like a few years, so I should be fine with that. I still have more emergencies in here, so I think we all set for that. I don't need to overpack on that. I have pills for motion sickness. I have pills for diarrhea. Going to a different country, guys, so you never know. There's some foods that does not settle with your body. So those things are packed in here, which reminds me, I should probably have my ibuprofen in there as well. So yes, I mean, that is it for what I have packed for my Vow Renewal. From there, I'm going to obviously be packing my camera and my chargers and stuff like that, but I do charge it before I travel, and then I grab it when it's time to go. So I'm excited, guys. I'm going to be remarrying my husband.